So once I've kept Tobie happy with my objects, I can start detailing them. And this is the one that we nicknamed the birthday cake, the iris. It's based on the iris movement. So this is like the insides of the birthday cake, and you can see that we can see where each one of the tubes sticks out, and you can see this is where the motor fixes, and the drive belt we're going onto a custom made plate, which we're having laser cut in plastic with a base plate of stainless steel, so should be quite nice. And then when I'm kind of fairly convinced by my drawing that everything's lining up, I can break it down and produce a sheet. This is the stainless steel components for several of the objects. This green piece here is out of the birthday cake. This is from the drop mechanism. These are the roller, and this is the paper mover. These are all stainless steel parts, and these are the perspex components. So you can see here that this is, in fact, these are all out of the birthday cake one. There's the custom made cogs with all the holes for the ball bearing bases of the shafts. These are the side panels, and the top plate's quite interesting. It's quite a nice piece. And there you go. I just literally email those off to the appropriate laser guys. So we've got one guy that does plastic and wood, and there's another guy that does sheet metal. So he's quite a serious engineer, and so I send those drawings off, and then very quickly try and make a 3D model using those drawings myself, so I can check that what I've done fits together. So this is the top view of the what we call the birthday cake. You can see all the components. In this view you can see through it, so it kind of looks almost the same as the other drawing, but in fact it's a 3D like this, which we can kind of move around and check whether everything's in the right place and fits together. Hopefully at this point I can spot any mistakes. And this is a quick rendering which produces virtually an X-ray of the object, and hopefully I can see whether or not things line up. You can see the motors there. You can see it, and there's some bearings for the belt. So you can see all the fixing holes. They should all line up the way that the outer skin fixes to the main casing. All of these tubes should all go through a hole correctly. I think in this one there's no parts which are handmade, they're all machine made. But in the other ones, some of them are made, some parts are made in a workshop, stuff that we can't make easily. We do have a workshop, but we don't use it very much. It's not our style.